on homecoming. Ritenour students are getting ready to resume the beloved tradition of homecoming on September 24th and 25th, 2021, after the COVID-19 pandemic forced it to go virtual in 2020. On Saturday, the Ritenour community is invited to line the parade route, which begins at 9 a.m. from Ritenour High School. This year's theme, Ritenour Back in Action, will include floats and groups, Ritenour schools, student organizations, civic organizations, and local businesses. The Ritenour High School Huskies take on the Ladue Rams at 1 p.m. on Moore Field. The stadium capacity is limited to 800. Tickets are available at the gate for $5. The dance starts at 7. Students need to bring their tickets and enter before 8 because if you do not, you will not be able to get in. The dance will end by 10. Anyone dressed inappropriately will not be admitted into the dance. I'm going to see y'all Saturday.